Hello, we are Moises and Efrén, and we are music volunteers in Kiss of Change, Ghana. We are very proud of having our first concert after Panos coming. We played mostly music for films, and it was great. I think after Panos coming, the kids have been improving so much and have taken so much seriously about the whole music program. I think it was wonderful. Of course, like always, there's like stuff that happen and we cannot avoid it. Like for example, Felicia saxo, it was spoiled. It was an accident, so she had to play like as a soloist with another saxo, and I know she was a little uncomfortable, but it was also her first experience as a soloist with an orchestra, and we played feeling good. That's such a masterpiece, and I think everyone enjoyed it. So I'm really happy also to see all these kids of the school very excited about the concert, and like they all also after the concert was like doing like trying to imitate the movements of the hands and everything. And I think it's a real inspiration to all the people that can enjoy this kind of music we can do.
Yeah, so the fact that Panos came here with us, prepare all the orchestra was amazing. The kids can see and enjoy the power of work together, of be an inspiration for each other. So after Panos come, the kids keep the illusion to continue doing their best, playing with the orchestra, trying to be a family here in Kinder. I am very happy to continue doing this amazing and beautiful work here with all the kids and be supporting by all this beautiful family here in Kinder Paradise in Clifford Chain, my team that is Efrén and Moises, Panos Karan, Pedro, Georgiana, Lucy, Renzo. So that is amazing. Has and feel that positive energy and feeling that we are going forward to do beautiful things and things that the kids will not forget, because these kind of things will be in their hearts forever. So that is an amazing experience for all.